Hi, welcome to a new vlog. Today is Women's Day. Today we got an appreciation and we want to invite one guest to our house for 3 days. Now we are going to invite that guest to our home, and afterwards we will talk about who is the guest, what is happening, everything we will tell. आगे आगे आप लोग देखेंगे. तो we will go to invite that guest today. Today is March 8th, International Women's Day. Happy Women's Day to all friends. And one thing we want to tell you, we want teaching our girl child, our daughter, what we are telling. Not wear that dress, don't go outside after 8 o'clock. So many things we are teaching. The same way in this Women's Day, I am requesting to all mothers to teach your son, please respect woman. That is the main thing. Today I am requesting to all mothers. So let's go. We will invite our friends and after देखेंगे क्या क्या हो रहा है. चलें. So we are waiting for the Uber. Second time we are using that taxi. First time I went with my son once around 2 years back. The second time we are waiting for the Uber. We have no experience with that. The first vehicle, due to some reason, they cancelled. The second vehicle we are waiting. Within 10 minutes they will come. We have the appointment with that guest 11 o'clock. Now we are going there. Let's go. Now we are in Uber taxi. We are going that inviting that guest. Let's go. Now we reached to invite our guest. Today we reached Aether showroom, Indiranagar, Bangalore, and they selected us. They given an opportunity. They told today is Women's Day. We want to give one review about that vehicle, Aether 450X. So we reached the showroom to pick up the vehicle. Today our guest is coming, Aether 450X. Let's watch. Now explain. This is Ganesh. Ganesh is assisting us. He will explain about the vehicle. Let's watch.
So these are the 3 colors that we have, and the 2 models that we have are 450X and 450 Plus. 450X costs 1.65 on road and 450 Plus is 1.45 on road. Exterior wise, it's all same. You won't be able to figure out what's the difference. Space grey, white, and that's a mint grey.
Which color?
Which one do you want to start? Which color do you want?
First vehicle
yeah, this is a
rider.
co-founder.
Yeah.
This IIT Madras where he is trying it out. And
The
this-
first starting vehicle.
He must be around 22 years of age when he was doing this.
Change. Here it will come.
This is the pods that we have. This is the first designing. That's the first design of the vehicle. So confident
It's a
in our vehicle
skeleton.
that we have kept the skeleton. This where the battery is placed. This way the center of gravity that we call of a vehicle, it sticks to the ground basically. This is a motor that's running the vehicle.
One thing, my son name is also Ganesh.
Oh, really? This is a belt system.
Yeah.
Belt system, so no oiling,
Same
no
like
lubrication.
scooter, hai
No, nothing, no oiling, nothing. It will stay dry this way. Front and back, rotor pedal disc brakes, performance brakes. Combination brakes with regenerative braking. This is steel embedded rubber and this is carbon fiber embedded rubber. So it has enough life. That's totally taken care of. Hybrid aluminium, die cast aluminium.
Strong.
Monoshock suspension, again first for any scooters. So
Okay.
good. These are the features that it has.
Yeah, now we took the vehicle. Okay. The Aether 450X. Now we are going to home. We are taking our guest, our friend to home for 3 days. Let's go. Okay, Ganesh. Yes. Ganesh, he assisted and helped us to take the vehicle. Let's go. Yeah, now we we are taking the vehicle. Just watch. We are going through eco mode only. We will trying the low speed how it will work. Let's go. Days back, the Ather company sent a WhatsApp message through our Facebook page. They are very much interested to give this vehicle to us and make a review for them. And after that, we called the concerned person. We talked with them, and we our condition we talked to them. क्योंकि I use this vehicle and what I am feeling, मुझे क्या feel हो रहा है, that I will tell. They are also want that. They are also not want the paid promotion. They we are happy means that today means a Women's Day. They are also selected this day to given this vehicle to us. So what we are happy means they are believing us. That is the main thing. Now we are doing riding everything with the vehicle. Everything we are doing. We have Facebook page. Everything we are doing. But till the date nobody asked to give our review about any vehicle. So the first time they are appreciate us. That is the main thing. So with confidence they have the belief we can give a better review for them. That is we are thanks to them also. They are believing us, and also we are also told them we will give the honest review. They want also honest review. This is not a paid promotion also. They are believing us, so they want a review with their vehicle. This is electric vehicle Ather 450X. Okay, today is the date they allotted for us, 8th. Now we are taking from we took from the Indira Nagar Ather showroom, and now we are on the way to home. For 3 days this friend with us, we will ride. So many modes are there, and we will ride with all mode, and we will tell our honest review what we felt about the vehicle. Now we around more than 10 kilometer we ride, but we will tell means we will experiment with more. Okay, we are waiting for a better review. 3 days we this with us, this vehicle. Okay, we will try tomorrow also in highways and all mode. We will try how it will work. We will check with that, and we will come with a better review with this friend. Okay, we are waiting for that. Now we are winding up this video. Now we are going to home. Let's go to home.